In our previous video, we have seen how to implement a new event page. That is, whenever we are navigating to this create event, we make use of create event component.html, create event component.ts. These two files we had implemented to make sure that whenever we are creating an event and we are clicking on the save button, it's getting locked to our console. So this is the object which got created whenever we clicked on save button. This we have seen in the previous video. But what was the problem which we are seeing here? If you observe that the address, city as well as country, these three should lie inside location object. If you observe our model, if I switch to Visual Studio Code, I'll just show you event.model.ts. If you observe here, you can see that address, city, country, these three are not located in the root object. These three are located inside the location object. That is a child object, right? But here, whenever we are saving an event, it is getting created in such a way that these are getting saved inside the root object. So we have to make sure that this is saved inside the nested object. So how we can do that, we'll see in this video. So I'll switch to Visual Studio Code. Inside create hyphen event component.html, we can see that this address, city as well as country, these three should be nested under location object, right? So to do that, we can make use of ng model group. So what we can do is we can wrap this inside a div with ng model group. Okay, and the name which we are going to provide here should match with the name of the property which we have provided inside the model. Here this is the location, right? The same name we have to specify over here. Okay, location, and we have to nest this here. Okay, slash div. Now you can see that address, city and country, all these three are nested inside one model group, that is ng model group location. Now I can save these changes. Okay, now if I create an event over here with by filling some details, for example sample, I'll give some date. Okay, event time, then I'm going to specify some price. Okay, event location, just give something. Okay, just provide something, https google.com. Okay, now if I save this, if I open this object, you can see that there is a separate object which got created inside the root object, that is location object. Only once I open this, you can see that address, city and country are nested inside this location, right? Previously what used to happen on the root object, this address, city, country was getting saved. But this is how we had given inside our model. It should match with our model, right? So we have achieved this. What else is remaining now? We are logging to the console now whenever we are saving event. So what is our requirement actually? Our requirement is to, whenever we are creating an event and click on save button, that event has to appear in all events page. Ideally that is our goal, right? So let's do that how now. Okay, let's switch to Visual Studio Code, and here inside create event component.ts, I'm going to create a new method. Sorry, the save event method is already existing over here. I'll just modify this because console.log we had provided in our previous video, where we are logging to the console whenever we are saving an event. Now I'll get rid of this and I'll actually save the event now. Okay, that we can do by making use of this dot event service dot save event. Okay, and this will take form values as a parameter. Along with this, after saving the event, I want to navigate to events page, that is this dot router dot navigate, which page I want to navigate to, events page slash events. Okay, this should be enclosed within square brace. Now what is the error we are seeing over here? The event service, we have not imported the event service over here, right? We have the event service already existing, which we had seen in our previous videos, event.service.ts, where we have these methods as well as the data which we are going to use for the event, right, inside our event service. But I have to make sure that this event service has to be imported inside this component. Then only we'll be able to use it, right? One thing is, first, any service we have to import for that particular component and we have to inject it. That is mandatory. We have to inject it for this constructor. We have to pass as a parameter. Okay, we have to inject it. Then only it's possible for us to make use of this service inside this component. Let's do that now. So inside this constructor, we'll pass private event service. We'll import this event service and inject over here. So this got imported from dot slash shared. This is the location of this event service. Okay, and we are able to inject this event service. Now what else we are getting error? We are getting error of save event. Why we are getting? Because we have not created this method. We have not created this method of save event inside where this save event should be located inside our event service. Inside event service, we have to create this method and provide implementation. Okay, let's do that. Inside event.service.ts, let's implement here, that is save event method. Save event, which will take an event. Okay, and here we have to set some id for this event, which should be unique. For now, let's set some unique id 999. Okay, later we will handle this. Event.session, we have to set this for an empty array. Want to default session to empty array, and then what we have to do, we have to pass this event to this events array. We have this events array inside our event service, right, from where we are getting all the data of the events. These data only we are getting displayed on our application, that is our events page. Here inside our events page, we are seeing all the events which are coming from this event array. So we have to push this event which we are saving as part of this method to that event array. How we can do that? By making use of events dot push. What I want to push? I want to push this event. That's it. So here we are going to push this event into the events array. That's it. We will save all these changes. Okay. So far what all we did, initially we saw this inside this event model.ts. We saw that this location object is a nested object, that is child object created, and these address, city, country, these properties, these fields are not located in the root object. So we nested this by making use of ng model group. Okay, and we named it as location, which is the object over here. Okay, nested object, and this address, that is city and country, we got inside this nested object, that is child object. We saw that previously. Okay, after this what we did, inside create -event.component.ts, we created a save event method where we were logging previously into the console. Now we change this to actual save event by making use of event service. We imported this event service and we injected here inside this component by making use of event service over here. Then we are calling event service method, that is save event, which will take form values. Okay, and we are navigating to slash events, that is all events page, because once we are saving this event, we are navigating back to all events page where this saved event should be displayed. Okay, that's it. And inside event.service.ts, we created this method which we have passed event.id over here. We are setting some value over here, unique id for now, and we are pushing these events to the event array. Okay, so let's see how it will work. Okay, let's run this and see how it will work. I'll just clear the terminal. Now I'll make use of npm space start. It's building the modules, got compiled successfully and hosted on localhost colon 4200. Let's open this. Okay, now I'll navigate to create event page. Here I'm going to provide a name of an event. This is a new event, so let me name it as new event, and the date I can provide some date over here. Okay, event time, I want to start it at 10 a.m. Event price $400. And what else? Address of the event, I'll just provide some value over here. Okay, address I can provide as Palace Grounds, Bangalore, India, and online URL https://google.com. Okay. Now I'm going to save this event by clicking on this save button. I'll click on this save button. Okay. Now we are getting this. You have not saved this event. Do you really wish to cancel? It's asking us. So I'll just confirm by clicking on OK. Now you can see that inside our all events page, whatever the event which we created, it is getting showed up here, right? It is getting displayed over here. So what we are doing, we are successfully creating an event and we are passing that to the all events page. It has to display over here, right? Previously we were logging onto the console. In this video we have implemented in such a way that whenever we are creating a new event, it comes and displays over in our all events page. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos, and click on that bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notification whenever I am creating a new video.